Hi, I'm Nitin Vaghasiya, representing a Cygnux Softech Private Limited. I'm working here as a project manager. We've been using a UBS since last 6 months. So let me tell you some feedbacks about UBS, how it helps us to add a value to our daily routine life and operations. Before having a UBS in our company, we did not have anything related to HR management. So we could not track HR's employees' data. We could not track any kind of employee leave. We could not manage to have a proper payroll system. It was very hectic for us to manage a payroll at the end of the month. Then later we come to know about the UBS, which has a HRMS system, which help us in every aspect of employee management, starting with attendance, daily attendance, monthly attendance, leave management to the payroll system. So now we can prepare our payroll in a few seconds. It's just a matter of a few minutes to prepare a payroll from the UBS system for our employee. Now later on, we didn't have a project management tool, so we could not track any project. We could not deliver the project on the time. We were facing too much difficulty to track the project throughout the time period. After having a UBS, the project management for TL and PM, it's been very easy. They can spend their time in exploring the new things. They can track their team members' time. They can measure their performance. They also can have a time tracking of each and every task individually. So ultimately, I would say the UBS system help us growing from bottom to up, and it is a very helpful system to use in organization to smooth your operations and employees' daily routine life. Thank you.